This Carly adapter is the biggest scam in OBD to scanner industry, and possibly it is one of biggest scams in the whole YouTube automotive community. Most of functions they will promise you will not work, and sometimes if you are lucky you will find something that works. On their website they are hiding that it is annual subscription, so you have only price and then there is this star next to the price, but if you actually scroll to bottom of the website you can see that all prices are only annual subscription. So what you see on screen it is only 1 year payment, and if you don't cancel, Carly will keep renewing it and you cannot even refund it. Why? Because you cannot refund digital software. That is also a reason why when you buy Carly, they will give you adapter for free. Because once you open up, you cannot refund. And free adapter, you of course cannot refund as well because it's free. You can see like biggest automotive influencers promoting this shit. And I would say it is impossible for all these YouTubers to not know that they are promoting this shitty scam product. I know that some of you maybe have this scanner at home and now you are like, but it works fine, I can code some features. You cannot know like what is the standard for some price, but since I have tested hundreds of them, I know that this thing really is not worth the money. If it wasn't subscription, if it was like 150 euros for lifetime payment, I would still say it sucks. But I wouldn't call it a scam. So now I will show you how my testing of this tool went on 4 different cars. Okay, so the day finally came. I gave them another 150 euros. I will test everything, and then also I will compare it with different scanners that are cheaper, so you will understand how much more functionality you can get. I will plug it inside OBD port. Data is being prepared. Please try again in a couple of moments. Before you connect, plug the scanner into the OBD port. Data is being prepared. Please try again in a couple of moments. No connection to the scanner. Try again. I don't want help. I want to connect to car. No connection to the scanner. Doesn't work. Maybe we can try something else. How about these OBD functions? Let's try this. Now, even if it doesn't support Volkswagen, this should work. These are standardized protocol. So this should show some engine information like readiness monitors, engine faults, and then engine live data. I know for sure I have fault code in engine, but all we get is this thumbs up or OK sign. Perfect. That's what I'm paying for 150 euros per year. If you want new OBD2 scanner but you don't know which one is the best, go to my website OBD2 scanner guide. It is linked in description, and there you can filter best OBD2 scanners by car brands, type or features you need. Okay, so I can see readiness monitors, at least something. How about fault codes? Oh no, this was fault codes. So now we can check live data. Okay, total position, start monitoring, 92%. I'm not sure about that. How about if I press it? No change. This, what we have here, these are standardized things. So engine live data, readiness monitors, engine fault codes. So that's why you have $3 scanner that can display this. But Carly cannot even this simple thing get right. No connection to the scanner. Because even though it says it supports Volkswagen, cannot connect, doesn't work. I did connect before to the scanner through that global OBD, which should display engine data. It doesn't display data correctly, but at least I was connected, so problem is not in my phone or adapter. Okay, now I am inside my Nissan Micra. We can try coding on Micra. Definitely there is some coding in Micra. With other scan tool I was able to access this hidden menu, and there were like 6 or 7 options to change, like auto lock when you start driving and some simple codings like that. So other features, coding. Okay, there isn't coding. Or is it? No. So even though I paid for every car brand unlocked, it still does not help me. There isn't a way how to access coding. For some models you can code something, but still less options, because with full system scanner, something like Think Diag 2, I can code this Nissan, I can code this Touareg, I can code this Golf. There is a lot better support for car models. So yeah, I cannot code anything for my car with Carly. I also want to try used car check with Carly. So first we have to change our mileage. To change mileage I am actually using cheaper adapter than Carly. With Carly you can only dream about changing some mileages. Let's do like 20,000 less. So old mileage 209.4. Hit OK. Yes. 274,000 now. Out with the X tool. Let's try Carly. Let's do used car check. First I will show you result, and then I will explain you how this mileage tempering works, and that is just basically another scam from Carly. Okay, Carly check finished. Carly has detected no tampering. Okay, so you understand how this mileage check works with Carly. Carly can detect mileage tampering only if someone connected Carly adapter to same car before, then change mileage, and then when you connect with Carly, you can check that mileage was rolled back. But only if someone connected Carly before. Okay, so now I did used car check, and now my exact Golf by VIN number will be saved inside Carly database. So I will take out Carly. I will take my X-Tool A30. Okay, now I will change mileage to 500 kilometers. So let's do 500. Okay, yes, save. Now we have 500 on the dash. Out with X-Tool. Let's take Carly again. Let's do used car check now. Carly check was finished. See, and now it detected tampering because now it already got saved my previous value. So this is very limiting, like how many cars has been connected to the Carly scanner before, like definitely less than 1% of all cars. But let's check some other features. Let's do diagnostics, continue. Okay, it found 5 fault codes, so it can scan full system. But with any good full system scanner, even a lot cheaper scanners than Carly, when you scan every module, you should be able to go inside every module and then you can do some bidirectional testing, live data, read fault codes. But you can have that in $50 scanner without any subscriptions. If you have something like X-Tool A30, you can connect to every module, and inside every module you can see not only data but also do bidirectional testing and see some information about control modules. So diagnostics is very limited with Carly. But what we can also check up to 160 live data values. We can try just something simple like throttle. Okay, but where is the value? Oh, start monitoring. Press throttle. Does not really work. Okay, diagnostics we did, live data we did, used car check we did, video in motion is not for my car. We can try coding, but first let's check service resets. How many service resets we have? Video service. Wait, what? Oh, okay, so this is just something like reminder, but you cannot actually reset anything with this. Okay, let's try Carly on my test Alfa Romeo setup, how it can handle. It is not easy to scan, so let's see if Carly can handle it. So plug it inside OBD port. Okay, we are inside. Okay, scan is finished, showed the results, but it was able to scan only engine. So we have 6 modules here. With similar scanners, even cheaper scanners, I can scan all of them. Carly can scan only engine. What does this smart mechanic? I should at least try it out since I paid 35 euros for this. This will give you pretty good description of fault code, but same thing you can get with ChatGPT. Even free version of ChatGPT can give you same description for fault code. I cannot see any option to do used car check or coding. So basically it can just read engine codes for this alpha. So first we have tried Carly on Volkswagen Touareg. Did not work at all. I couldn't even connect. For Golf, it could read out fault codes correctly from every system, but you cannot see live data in every system, you cannot do bidirectional testing. For Golf, the coding worked, but then for Nissan, there was no coding, and then on this test setup, it could only read engine codes and nothing else. So basically this worked only on one car from 4 different cars. Used car check does not work unless someone use Carly adapter on same car before the mileage is manipulated. So Carly doesn't even have service resets. With X-Tool A30 we have 26 service resets, and they actually work. For example, instrument cluster. With chip scanner like this you can even change mileage in your car. However, with Carly, the more features will not work than work. More models will not work than work. That software sucks and it is too expensive. So instead of Carly, you can buy adapter like this, which doesn't require subscription. You will have free lifetime updates and you can actually use it to do some work. Either service, diagnose car or used car check. With Carly, basically only thing it does, it is coding, but you cannot pay 150 euros for coding every year. That doesn't make any sense. Simply because you have adapters like this. Think Diag 2, full system scanner, works on every car. Bidirectional tests, service reset, you have 15 service resets, so little less than X-Tool. But it also has coding. So everything you can code with Carly, you can code with this Think Diag 2. Even more, because it also supports some OEM coding options. And then there is not risk, because with something like Carly, I haven't had that issue, but I heard many people ended up with bricked control modules when trying coding with Carly. And this thing is actually cheaper. This costs about 130 euros, and then you pay subscription of about 90 euros per year. So it is cheaper, but it has like 50 times more functionality. You can use it for basically any car, work with every system in that car, bidirectional tests, service resets, ECU coding, all of that you got in cheaper devices. So I can safely say that Carly is biggest scam in OBD to scanner industry. Never buy this, and if you bought it already, go cancel your subscription because you will get charged when it is over.